In this video, we will be comparing two of the most popular men's grooming kits on the market, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. Both kits offer a range of features designed to meet all your grooming needs. But which one is the best for you? Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7 is priced at $119 US, while the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 series is more budget-friendly at $99 US. This difference in price may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for money. The Braun kit offers 12-in-1 functionality, allowing you to groom your beard, face, nose, ears, and body with ease. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 boasts a 23-piece kit, providing a wider range of attachments for various grooming needs. This makes the Philips kit more versatile for users who want multiple options. In terms of performance, the Braun All-in-One kit is designed for efficient trimming with its sharp blades, while the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 features powerful cutting technology that ensures a smooth grooming experience. Both products promise high-quality results, but the choice may depend on your specific grooming preferences. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 series offer unique features and benefits. The Braun kit is slightly more expensive, but offers great functionality, while the Philips kit provides excellent value with its extensive attachments. Make sure to consider your grooming needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.